In this video, let me show you how you can manage the Outlook storage. The first thing you can do is check how much storage you have left over. You can do that by heading over to the settings and then head over to account. Inside of account, you'll see the option called storage, and you're exactly going to see the amount of storage that you have left and the space that it has taken. Now, if your storage is getting full, the few things that you can do is, if you are okay with deleting some folders, you can just click on the empty option and then you can select 12 month and older. This way it is going to delete all of the emails that is 12 month and older from a selected folder. This way you're going to clear up a lot of space. But in case you don't want to do that, what you can do is head over to the search bar at the top and then you can try deleting those emails that have attachments. So you can add in this search operator, which is going to search you up all of the emails that currently have attachments and which are taking a lot of space. This way you can delete those ones that you don't need. Now, the other thing that you can do is head over to each of your inboxes and try deleting the emails that you no longer need. You can go to folders such as inbox, sent, or junk mails, and then you can delete unnecessary messages and move the important ones to local storage using the Outlook app. Now, even after you do all of these things, and if you don't have storage left over, there are two options left only. Either you can upgrade your plan and buy storage, or create a new email address. By creating a new Outlook email, you're going to have more 15 GB of free storage. So these are the last two things that you can do in case you don't have space left over after deleting your mails as well. So that's pretty much the way that you can manage the storage in Outlook. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.